Your dream job is just one resume away. But is your resume working for you or against you? In this video, I'll show you how to 2x your chances of getting hired using 100% free AI tools. No fancy software, no paid templates, just smart tech and a few clicks. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel again. If you're new here, I am Pooja, a chartered accountant, and I have an experience of working for Ernst & Young and KPMG. So whether you are a fresher or an experienced candidate, let's build a resume that gets noticed and gets interviews. If you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So the first step for creating your resume using AI tool is creating content for your resume based on the job description. So it is very important to prepare our resume based on the job description that we are applying for. So let's see how to do this with AI tool and just with few clicks. So here I have a sample job description. So this job title is Chartered Accountant Fresher and this is for audit and assurance. That is statutory audit. And then this is a full-time job and here we have the job description. We are looking for a qualified CA. And then here the key responsibilities are given. Assist in planning and executing statutory audit, performing detailed testing, preparing work papers, audit documentation, communicate with the client, assist seniors and managers in preparing financial statements, audit reports, etc. Participate in stock counts, walkthrough and control testing procedure. Keep up to date with changes in auditing and accounting standard. Ensure compliance with firm's audit methodology and quality standard. Support internal initiatives such as training, knowledge sharing, etc. And this is the education qualifications required. That is a CA and recent attempt is preferred and articleship preference in statutory audit. And these are the various skills and competencies required. That is sound understanding of accounting principles, auditing principles, knowledge of Schedule 3, familiarity with standards on auditing, GST, income tax, strong communication skills, ability to work under pressure and meet tight deadlines, proficiency with MS Office tools, caseware, IDEA, analytical thinking and attention to detail, high level of integrity and professionalism. And experience is 0 to 1 year required and also freshers are also welcome. Then next, relevant articleship experience in stat audit, including listed, unlisted clients, manufacturing, etc. So it is important to customize a resume based on the job description that we are applying for. So let's see how to prepare the content for our resume based on this job description. So here I have opened the ChatGPT website to create the content for our resume. So if our resume is tailor-made for the job description that we are applying for, there are high chances of getting hired. So now I will give the following prompt. I am a CA fresher. I have qualified as a CA in May 2025. I have done my articleship from ABC and Associate in Statutory Audit Department from July 2022 to June 2024. During my tenure at ABC and Associate, I have the following work experience. Statutory audits of the company in real estate, software and trading sector, engagements for agreed upon procedures, debited review and group reporting, stock counts, preparation of Form 3CD, 3CA, 3CB as per the Income Tax Act, service tax certification. I have the following computer knowledge. Basic knowledge of Windows and Internet. I have completed course in MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and MS Access. And I have completed course in basics of Tally ERP 9. I have worked on Tally, SAP, IDEA and Caseware during the course of audit of various clients. Please help me make my resume as per the given job description. And here I will copy paste the job description. So here I have copy pasted the job description. So here the chat GPT has drafted as the entire resume. So here you will have to add your name, your mobile number, your email ID. And here the career objective, qualified as CA in May 2025, aiming to build a strong foundation in stat audit. And next, professional qualification has been given. Then articleship experience. And then your educational background. And then the technical skills, computer skills. You can see here the core competencies. So depending on the job description, the ChatGPT has drafted this resume. So the core competencies here mentioned as good understanding of Ind AS, familiarity with Schedule 3, strong analytical skills, effective communication. So you can customize this further. So whatever information is given here, you will have to edit it and customize it as per your case. So the basic outline has been given by ChatGPT here. Further, you can customize this. So now that we have the content ready for our resume, the next step is to choose the design or template for our resume. There are two methods in which you can do this. So let's go ahead and see this. So the first method to choose the design or template for your resume is using canva.com. So just log in here and here you can type resume templates. So if you scroll down here, you can see there are different types of templates available. You can choose any of this to edit your resume. So once you generate the content for your resume using ChatGPT, the next step will be to choose a template for your resume. Suppose you choose this first template, just click on the template, then click customize this template. So now you will have to edit this line by line using whatever content was generated using the ChatGPT. So you can also click here to add one more page. So following these steps, you can customize your resume, and once this is done, you can download this. So to download this, just click on share and then you can click on this download button here. And then the resume will get downloaded. And the next method to select a design or template for your resume is using Word. So in MS Word, just open MS Word and then here you can see more templates. So open MS Word and then click on more templates here. And then just search here for resume. So you can see here within seconds there are different templates available. So whichever template you want, you can just select it. Click on create. And here you have it. The template is now imported here. So you can edit this with the information that we got from the ChatGPT. So you can add the content of ChatGPT here and you can prepare your resume this way. Now suppose you are creating a resume by yourself, but you are stuck at a particular step and you are not sure as to how you can go further. So you can take the help of ChatGPT for this also. So you can edit your existing resume using ChatGPT. You can give a prompt to ChatGPT asking it to be your reviewer of your resume and it will review your resume and it will give various improvement areas. So let's go and see how to do this. So to get your resume reviewed by ChatGPT and also help you get inputs as to what more you can add in your resume, I will be giving the following prompt. So first I will just upload the resume here. So the prompt is, I want you to act as a resume reviewer. I will provide you with my resume and you provide me with feedback on the following points. What appropriate sections to add for making my resume to make it more appealing to the recruiter? How to make my resume easier to scan? What kind of numbers and results I can add to my resume? What type of action verb should I choose? So you can see here within seconds the chat GPT has reviewed the resume and it has given the feedback here. So first is to add appropriate sections. So add professional summary and it has also given some examples as to what you can write your key achievements and what are the technical tools you know to use, the projects that you have worked on, and then some feedback to improve the readability and to improve the scanning of your resume. So use bullet points, bold key terms, use subheadings, and then we also had a question as to what numbers and results should we include. So here the chat GPT has given the following ideas. So how many audits you had handled, and for tax, what important task you were involved in, how much amount was involved, and what type of team leadership role you were involved in, and how many financial statements you have reviewed and how many errors you reduced, and some of the recommended action verbs. So for audit, you can use verbs like led, executed, reviewed. For taxation, filed, optimized, analyzed, etc. Same way for the others also. So in case you're writing your resume by yourself and if you're stuck at any place, you can take the help of ChatGPT like this. Now that you have your resume ready, the next step is to prepare for your interview with the help of ChatGPT. So let's see how to do this. So not only preparing the content for your resume or reviewing your resume, the ChatGPT can also help you prepare for the interview. So let's see how. So I will be giving the following prompt. So first let me upload the resume. So here is the prompt. Based on my resume, what questions can I be asked by the interviewer? So you can see the ChatGPT has drafted as the questions also that can be asked during the interview. So there are various questions on stat audit, team leadership. There are questions on tax audits and assessments, internal control. And there are also some questions on technical and subject knowledge based, accounting standard questions, taxation and compliance, questions on SAP and other Excel tools, and various questions on certifications. And also there are questions that will be asked in the HR round. So we can also go one step ahead and we can also ask the chat GPT to provide us with the sample answers for this. So I have just given the prompt. Please provide me with the answers for the above. So here the ChatGPT has started providing us with the sample answers as well. So this will give you an idea as to how you can prepare for your interview. So in this way you can use the AI tools and get interview ready. So not only preparing and editing your resume, the AI tool can also help you to give you a resume score as well. So there is a tool in which you can check your resume score. So this tool will compare your resume with the industry standards and it will give you a score. So let's go and see how to do this. So to check your resume score, click on the link given in the description below and then you will be directed to this page. So just click browse and add your resume here. Then this tool will evaluate your resume and give a score. It will take a couple of seconds. Your resume quality is high. So once you prepare your resume, you can check your resume score here to see if you are good to go or you need to make any more changes. So there you have it, a job winning resume built with the power of AI and zero cost to you. From AI generated content to custom formatting, from mock interviews to resume scoring, all using tools that are free and beginner friendly. I have provided the link of all the AI tools used in this video and the template of all the prompts in the description below. So please check it out and create your AI powered resume and increase your chances of getting hired. So if you're serious about landing that job, your resume is your first impression. And with the help of AI, there is no reason it shouldn't be your best. So in case you found this video helpful and useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on practical career building tips. Comment below and let me know which of these steps are you going to try first or drop a link to your resume score. I'd love to see how you all are improving. Until next time, keep learning, keep applying and let AI work for you so you can work where you truly belong. I will see you all in the next video.